Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. I'm just about to take a look at our air filter on our 2008 120 Prado. It's got a K&N filter in there, and I don't know how long it's been since I've opened it, so I was just about to have a look. So I thought what I'd do is just set up the camera and show you, because this hasn't been apart for ages. It's been in heaps of dust and whatever. It's pretty filthy actually. So it still breathes well, it doesn't blow any smoke. I'm just going to have a look around in there. Yeah, quite oily in the bottom half of the box. And I don't know how much you can see. I try to set up the camera right, but you can see a lot of the dust and dirt and stuff. I'll just try and set that light there again. So it's fairly clean around this side. Over this side's where it's all dirty, worst up in this corner here. And you can see it's sitting in place because we've used the grease to help hold it in place. Just going to try and pop that out. I don't think I'm going to clean it. I just want to get it to fall out of place. If I can get a grip on it enough to get it to fall out of place like that. We'll bring it out and give you a quick look in a minute, but before we do, let's have a look in here. And that is bloody clean. Now I'm not saying there's no dust there, but I don't know how much you can see. But it might be one of those ones where you trust my judgment again. On the back of the box there, I can barely see, you know, a mark. Whatever I'm touching, there's nothing there. So this has been in some dust, absolutely. We try and avoid it, but it's certainly been. You can see that's the clean side. I don't know if that helps you at all. Right, that is very clean. So that sort of says the dust isn't coming through. Because there's a lot of people aren't sure about this sort of thing. So we like to risk it for the biscuit. There's a lot of people that use these that say, yeah, they work, it's the best filter, why would you bother putting paper in? Excuse me. And then you've got people that say, mate, these are crap, they're no good, you're crazy putting these in, put the paper's the go. Anyway, you can see this dust there. I'm not saying this has been on a 3-month outback trip, never been clean, but it feels like it's been a year more or less, and I haven't even opened it. I don't know, you can check the last video, because generally it'll come out a few weeks after, generally. Sometimes it could be months after, sometimes it could be same day, but generally the videos are about 2 or 3 weeks, maybe 4 or 5 behind when they happen. You know, it varies a little bit. But see, there's quite a bit of dust's gone to there. You can see it's pretty well caked. The idea of these is they still breathe well, even when they've got a lot on them. So they do say wash something like every 50,000 miles, so I don't want to clean it. Maybe I want to re-oil it, but I don't see any need to, because there's nothing coming through there. So as far as I'm concerned, from what I've seen there, I'm just going to be careful how I put that. I might give it a bit of a bang on the ground, on the dirty side down, and just let all that dirt and stuff fall out. Just take a final look. Yep, that was a quick video. We're just going to give a bit of a wipe as we do it on the top side, the perimeter. Clean the edges up a little bit. I'll re-grease that with some rubber grease, because did you see all the bits? It all dries up and it's all falling out. There's a new MAF sensor in there. We're going to see how that goes, if it makes any changes, and we'll let you know what they are, if it's worth replacing it. You know, they're a couple $100. You don't want to waste money unnecessarily. So if you want to see that info, you need to subscribe and turn the bell on to get the next video. Hit the like button if you like that. Just trying to show you real information, what really happens, with a bit of, I suppose, a mechanical opinion behind it, owning and using the vehicles. This is the sort of air filters and stuff we see every day for years and years. So we sort of get to know what works and what doesn't in this particular vehicle. And I'd suggest it's going to be the same sort of element with all the other part numbers of these K&Ns, and I wouldn't see any reason why it would be any different, as long as it's oiled correctly to suit the purpose it's going to be used for. Thanks for watching, guys. We're out here. Told you, just a quick one. See ya.